Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, now tell us his name.
Monster.
And is he your baby?
Yeah, he's my baby.
Yeah. He got kind of big though, didn't he? He's a big baby now.
Yeah, he's a big baby
Yeah.
now. Yeah,
I guess he must really like you if he puts up with you.
he's memory.
Huh?
Oh, he's memory.
Okay. Don't do that. Emily. Hey. Don't whip his tail. That's not nice.
He's just cool. I hold him my mouth.
Show mommy your rat. So you can take a picture of him.